Hi guys, did you know that it takes roughly the same amount of energy to have a high paying job as it does to have a low paying job? This is not some get rich quick scheme at all, but I want to explain to you why medical and tech sales are so lucrative, so just stay with me a little bit. So this is based on input I have from statistics, different websites, colleagues, and my own experience. I will show you exactly why it is so lucrative to be in the med sales or tech sales business. As I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme, so you definitely have to put the work in, but I promise you it's very, very lucrative to be here. Success in this niche doesn't just happen overnight though. Usually the sales cycles can be quite long and you need to engage many different stakeholders, and due to the tender rules, it often goes on for some time before you can close the sale. But now let's get into the fun part, the money. Usually you'll start on an entry-level job where you'll get your feet wet a bit, and sometimes that is a bit of a lower pay, and that is just something that you need to accept. Many places it's combined a commission part and a base pay, and oftentimes the smaller the company, the base pay is quite larger, but the roof of your total earning potential is significantly less than if you were at a much larger corporation. And that is just something that you need to take into account when you apply for jobs. If you are more okay with having less base pay and then higher commission, or if you prefer the other way around. But the potential in the bigger companies is way higher, and that is usually what attracts the top talent as well. So as you can see here, income by experience is quite significant. So if you are quite new and you are under 2 years, you can roughly have this $71,000. And quickly you'll see a very big jump. Even when you get into 2 to 5 years of experience, you almost double your income based on this. And afterwards you start to slowly build up. And also you have different accelerators that can be paid on top. So for example, maybe you have a strategic product line that you need to sell, and if you reach a certain threshold, then there's like maybe a 10-20% on top of your normal commission. It can really boost it. So in the start of the video, I promise to tell you exactly why the money is so good in this niche, and I'll do it in just a second. Before I do, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps me out ever so much. So one of the first things that makes the pay that high is that it can be quite complex. Usually there's a lot of different stakeholders that you need to engage, and many different people you need to talk to and find out who is the correct persons. And that can be quite complex. Also, the combination of having tech experience with sales experience is not that common. So if you think normally like introverted and extroverted people, you have the introverted people, engineers and so on inside tech, and then you have salespeople who are usually very outgoing or extroverted. So this combination of two opposites is quite rare, and that is something that also boosts the earning potential a lot. It's a very competitive and innovative field, so you have to stay engaged with the newest technology. You have to re-educate yourself all the time to stay ahead, because if you don't, then the competition will just surpass you and beat you. And also one thing that really makes it out, as you saw, the pay really bumped up after the first 2 years, and that is because when you hire an experienced rep, you not only get his or her skill set in selling, you also get access to his or her network. And that is most important, I would say, because they know from day one where to go, who to contact, and who will be the buyers of your product. And that knowledge is just almost priceless. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know down in the comments if I can help you in any way, shape or form. Go out and own the week and do something that'll move you closer to your goals. And don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.